Hi friends, let's see how to make a bouncy egg. Things needed are a glass tumbler, an egg and a white vinegar. Take a tumbler and pour the vinegar into it. Now add the raw egg into it. See to that the egg is completely immersed to it. Leave it for 2 days. Carefully remove the egg from the glass and rinse it under some tap water. While rinsing the egg, gently rub the outside of the egg and the white film will come off, leaving with a translucent egg. Now my egg is soft, fluffy and bouncy. This is because of a chemical reaction between the eggshells and the vinegar. Calcium carbonate of the eggshells reacts with the vinegar to give this effect. The vinegar toughens up the egg membrane of the egg, making it bouncy. You too try the effect at home.